In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync my Samsung Calendar with other devices. First, let's start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung device. You can find this app in your app drawer or swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick settings. Look for the gear icon, which represents the settings. Tapping this icon will take you into your device's settings menu where you can manage various configurations. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for syncing your calendar across devices. You will see a clean layout with different categories, making it easy to navigate. Once that is done, tap on the option labeled Accounts and Backup. This section is where you can manage all your accounts linked to your device. It may take a moment for the menu to load, but don't worry. This is normal. In this area, you can also back up important data, which adds an extra layer of security. This little step is essential because it helps ensure your calendar data remains intact during the syncing process. From there, tap on Manage Accounts. This will show you a list of all the accounts connected to your device. You may see various accounts like Samsung, Facebook, or others. Look specifically for your Google account, as this is what you need to sync your calendar. Selecting the right account is vital, as syncing with different accounts can lead to confusion and mixed data. You are doing great so far, and the next steps will provide a seamless transition to syncing. Now, select your Google account from the list. When you tap on it, you'll be directed to a new screen with various sync options. This is an important step because you are about to customize how your Google account interacts with your Samsung device. Each account typically has its own settings, and choosing the correct one ensures that you sync exactly what you want. Just take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct account to avoid any issues later. Next up, tap on Sync Account. This action will bring you to another screen that shows all the sync options available for your Google account. You will see toggles for different types of data such as mail, contacts, and most importantly, calendar. This is where the magic happens. Ensuring the right options are selected will help you streamline your digital calendar across devices. Remember to keep an eye on the calendar toggle, as this is what enables synchronization. At this point, you will need to turn on the calendar option. Simply tap the toggle next to calendar to activate it. You should see the toggle switch from gray to blue, indicating that it is now enabled. This action is crucial because enabling calendar sync allows your Samsung Calendar to communicate with your Google Calendar on all devices. You will see a confirmation appear shortly, assuring you that your settings have been saved. After that, sign into the same Google account on your other device. This could be a tablet, another phone, or a computer. Ensure you use the same credentials you used on your Samsung device. Logging into the same account is essential for consistency, as it allows all your events and reminders to appear seamlessly across devices. Once you are signed in, you are one step closer to having everything synced up perfectly. Finally, turn on Calendar Sync on your other device. This process may vary slightly depending on the device type, but usually it's found in the account settings under Sync Options. Make sure the Calendar Sync toggle is also turned on there. This final step ensures that any changes you make on one device will reflect on the other. Now you can enjoy the convenience of having your calendar accessible wherever you go. Congratulations! You have successfully synced your Samsung Calendar with other devices. This will help you stay organized and up to date no matter which device you are using. Thank you for watching.